Wait, are you still uploading videos, but you're not adding them to a playlist? That could be killing your views, man. Hang on, I'm about to show you how you can fix this in 90 seconds. Playlists aren't just for organizations, they boost your watch time, they keep viewers on your channel, and they will tell you to, hey, my content is worth recommending, but only if you set them up alright. Most new creators skip this tiny step and it costs them. Either they don't know how to add videos to a playlist or they think it's not important. But trust me, it's a game changer. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add any video, yours or someone else, to a playlist in just few clicks. When I mean someone else, I don't mean going to take somebody's video and adding it to your playlist. No. For example, you are helping someone post on his or her channel, that's what I mean. Whether you are on PC or on mobile, it's simple, it is fast, and it works. After this, your channel will look cleaner, more professional, and way more being worthy. That means more views, more subs, and better growth. Guess what? When I started creating a playlist, I started using a playlist, I discovered that YouTube also recommends a playlist. Let's dive into the tutorial. As you can see, this is a new channel. The name of that channel is Peter Reacts. Please go and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so I'll be adding videos to some playlists I just created for this channel. And before I do that, I will have to know where my playlists are and know the videos I want to add. I might have uploaded the video already to my channel. So I'll click on my content. So as you can see, these are my content here. Meaning all the videos I have uploaded to this channel. Though I haven't made them public. But this is for tutorial sake and for experimental purpose. So you understand how to add videos to playlists. So I'll click on each of the videos independently. These are all the videos I'm trying to show you all. Now let me start adding them each to a playlist. So for this first one, I'll switch and show you my playlist. Okay. Alright, so these are all the playlists that are existing on the channel. So any of the video will either fall into this playlist. I call this playlist ideas from ChatGPT. You tell ChatGPT what your channel is about. ChatGPT will suggest playlist titles and descriptions for you. And then you do it. Now I've taught you how to create a playlist already in my previous tutorial. I'll click on that video. I'll click on that pencil icon. The pencil icon up. Alright, so it's loading. I'll scroll up. You see one part that says add to playlist. Can you see it? I'll click on it. So I will now select the playlist I want to add it to. So this video is a video where Pella had a clash with the Nigerian police. It's funny and it's a crazy reaction and it is something that is trending. So that's why I'm adding it to those two playlists. And so I'm adding it to those two playlists. I will then click save. So it has been, once I save now, it will be added to that playlist. The video type determines the type of playlist you add it. Always learn to add your videos to the right playlist. So let's go to the next video now. Okay. So I've clicked on this video, I'll click on the pencil icon. I scroll down. This was a situation of a boy who entered the zoo, staying with his parents not knowing, trending, what everyone is watching. Alright, this channel is all about reaction, emotional and heart-touching reaction. It could also be categorized under that playlist. I'll click on done. Next thing is that I'll click save. Very important to add videos to playlist. Very important. Let's check the next video. I think this one was about the girl went to represent Nigeria in a mathematics competition. I found it to playlist and I can put it on under trending. As well as viral reaction that broke the internet. Good. So you can categorize under that particular playlist. So I've saved it already. Let's also check the next video. So this one was about a particular sensitization for a particular drug that came out for people to watch out. Like this, I'm categorizing it under trending. I think see it. Alright, so trending. I think trending now. It's okay like that. And I'll click on done. So once I select my done, I click on save. Click on save. And then I've added this video already to a playlist already. So this is how to add videos to playlists. Like, comment, share, subscribe. So if you follow these practical steps, you've already learned how to add videos to a playlist already. So take note that playlists are also one of those tools on a channel that helps to skyrocket your views because it keeps the viewer to watch more and more of your video, increasing your watch time, boosting your visibility, and helping you reach your monetization faster. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.